In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to JVC TV. So let's get started. Well, the most reliable method and that works with every JVC TV is using an HDMI adapter. Now, if your iPad is the latest one, then it's probably going to use USB-C as the charging cable. And for that, you have to buy a USB-C to an HDMI adapter. Or if your iPad is older, then you'll need a Lightning C to an HDMI adapter. Now, once you've found out your adapter, then you just have to go ahead and purchase it from Amazon for a couple of dollars. And then you're gonna connect one end to your iPad, and then the other end is basically an HDMI port. So you'll obviously need an HDMI cable. One end goes here and the other end goes behind your TV. And this is directly going to show your iPad screen on the TV. This is the same mechanism that works when you connect your laptop to a monitor. So it's quite simple. And the second method is using AirPlay, so basically screen mirroring. But this depends on whether your TV supports AirPlay or not. So just go over to your TV settings, and then from there, you're gonna search up AirPlay settings somewhere. So just scroll through the settings and see if you can search AirPlay somewhere. If you find this option, just go ahead and turn it on. Then you're gonna go up in your iPad to the control center, click on screen mirroring. From here, you're gonna choose JVC TV. It's gonna pop up somewhere here. Just go ahead and choose it, and then your iPad screen is gonna show up on your TV. Now it may ask for a verification. For example, your TV might show a code. You just have to enter the code on your iPad. And yeah, that's just an extra layer of protection. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.